Ever pondered the necessity of solar solutions during extended outdoor adventures? Exploring the great outdoors can often leave us questioning the durability and longevity of our power solutions. Reflecting on personal experiences, certain solar products have left an imprint. The Goal Zero's Nomad 7, for instance, fell short of providing a robust solution. On the other hand, the Big Blue 28W panel has been a game-changer, with its commendable performance receiving thumbs up from various sources. As a content creator, capturing extended footage on loop hikes can pose a power challenge. In such instances, a combination of a 20000 mAh power block and a 28W solar panel has proven to be the lifesaver for a 3-day-long videography venture. Delving into the world of DIY solar setups, a combination of a semi-flexible panel, 18650 cells, a CN3791-based MPPT charger, and a TPS 61088A boost converter has been a revelation. Despite initial hiccups, this setup managed to churn out a respectable 6W in direct sunlight and a decent 3.5W at odd angles, providing a practical solution for extended outdoor activities. Recognizing the convenience of battery packs for shorter trips, the true value of powerful solar panels comes to the fore in temporary base camps. These are particularly beneficial to content creators who need a continuous power supply for their equipment. While the Big Blue 28W has been a reliable choice in this realm, the Lixada 10W and the Big Blue 14W have been strong contenders in the ultralight solar panels category. However, the weight savings offered by these solar panels may not always justify the convenience of carrying additional power banks. Taking into account power needs and usage patterns is crucial when deciding between the Lixada 10W and the Big Blue 14W. The Lixada might not fully meet power requirements, but the significant weight difference between the two panels is worth considering. There are positive accounts of the Encare solar panel being used on the Pacific Crest Trail, where it efficiently maintained a power bank's charge. However, concerns about the slow charging speed of most solar panels necessitate careful calculation of capacity needs and perhaps opting for extra batteries. Finally, the Alicanta 30W solar panel, though not ultralight, offers a more substantial power output and shorter charging times compared to smaller panels. It's important, however, not to assume maximum output based on panel wattage. Factors such as sun strength and geographical location can drastically affect actual output. In conclusion, the world of solar solutions for outdoor adventures is vast and varied. From ultra-light panels to DIY setups, the choice depends on personal needs, preferences, and the nature of the journey. So keep exploring, keep adventuring, and remember to stay powered up.